So I'm going to type exit to get out of this. So now I'm back in my normal environment. And then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say ldd/bin/cat. Okay? You can see this one has, you can ignore this one, and it has this one and this one. And I'm actually pretty sure that we already copied both of these. So if I go into my new root ls lib, it's asking for so lib so.6, which is here, right? And if I do lib64, it asks for so2, it does, right? So we actually don't have to copy anything, right? They're already there. So the only thing I have to do now is I have to copy from /bin/cat into bin. And so now if I look inside of bin, you can see here I have cat as well. So now if I do change root bin, or sorry, bash like that, to go back into my jailed process, I can see I type ls, that works, and now if I type cat secret.txt, it tells you my secret soda recipe.
So bin has the binaries that you basically need to copy over. Got it.
Yep.
And then it will use the libraries that you copied.
Exactly. Because it cannot reach outside of the jailed process to be able to reach the other binaries, right? It's totally locked off. So anything that you don't put in here doesn't get put in there at all.
So when you run LDD and it kind of lists the different requirements, why were we able to ignore the first one again?
I will tell you so if I do bin cat, right? So you can see this one right here.
Mm-hmm.
If you're asking for the actual reason of why we can ignore it, I don't actually know, to be honest with you. I just know that if it doesn't give you a fully qualified path like it does like this, then you're free to ignore it.